How's it going today, guys? My name's Mike Ulrich. I'm standing here today at MarineMax Venice, and I have the opportunity to give you a video walkthrough on a 2025 Sea Ray 190 SPX. This is the first boat in the Sea Ray fleet, and I'm going to show you why so many people love Sea Ray and what's packed into this 19-foot boat. Right off the bat, on the back of this one, standard is going to be a 115. We upgraded to give you the 150 on this, making sure you have plenty of power for any and all water sports for a day out on the water. As you step into the cockpit, you'll notice that it is a step down. It's nice because it gives you more freeboard, okay? You get a little bit more of a safety feeling on a 19-foot boat. This one is equipped with a bimini. When the bimini is deployed, you have shade all the way over the cockpit, leaving just the front in the sun. Because let's face it, somebody always wants to be in the sun when they're on the boat, but everybody else can be here comfortable. You can get this with a sports tower as well for those that want to do a lot of water sports. But this one's going to be perfect for those getting into boating. So as you sit here in the captain's chair, you can change the distance to and from the dash to make sure that you're comfortable, whoever's in control of the boat. But you're going to have all the confidence you need with that SIMRAD display. So integrated into that's going to be all your engine diagnostics, your fuel, your RPMs, all that good stuff. But more importantly, it's going to give you a chart plotter. So you can have that confidence to go out and explore, learn the waterways, and have a sense of where you're at and know where you're safe. Right up here, you're going to have a USB-C outlet and charging USB for all your power needs. This one does have a Fusion sound system. This one's also equipped with the upgraded package. So you're going to have Bluetooth access on this, sync your phone to it, and have your tunes to enjoy a day out on the water. Over here on the passenger side, we like to call this the lounger. So you can flip it forward and back. The great thing is when it's in the back position, it's a perfect spotting chair. So if you've got anybody out in the water doing water sports, or simply if you like to lounge facing back while you're underway, it presents a great view. Simply pick it up, lean it back. Now you guys are sitting side by side. A great thing about this boat, though, is with all the seating, it gives you that much storage as well. So right behind this one, look at that. Completely finished, great spot for a tote, shoes, anything like that. But my favorite one that's hidden right underneath this is a molded cooler. So on a 19-foot boat, people are going to lose some deck space, they'll think. This one, Sea Ray thought ahead and integrated it right into the boat so you can keep all that floor space that you need. You'll see right below me there is a large ski locker, great for skis, wakeboards, anything like that. You can slide it right in there. But you've got some more storage also built in on the side right here. They utilize all their space. This one's actually finished with nice carpet on the inside. So this is a great spot for a purse, tote, anything like that. Something that you don't want to get scuffed up while you're underway. Up on the front here, you do have a lockable glove box, which is nice to put your wallet, keys, stuff like that. Up in the front of the boat, you'll see that it is a bow rider. So in true bow rider fashion, you've got an area to lounge out on the bow. But a cool thing integrated into this is you're going to have, again, additional storage here right in front. You're going to have storage underneath both these seats, and you're going to have a designated anchor locker. So talking about great features on a 19-foot boat, a great use of space, this one gives you an anchor locker so you're not losing any of the storage options that you have. Not that the boat lacks any, but they just thought ahead. Guys, this is the 19 SPX brought to you by Sea Ray, offered by MarineMax. If you'd like to see it or learn more, come give me a call. Located right here at MarineMax Venice. My name's Mike Ulrich. Thanks for watching.